than Taylor Swift. I actually just finished working on a new EP which is coming out beginning of next year. Oh yeah, if you want to find me, by the way, my stage name is Bird, but you want to find me on Spotify if you type that in. So try Bird Roy, the latest single, and you'll probably find me. And the lovely Holly Beth outside is selling merch, she's selling the album, and also she has some wonderful QR code things that you can scan and then you can follow. I think you get a free badge if you follow me. But yeah, so we're making a new EP, and on this EP I'm doing a cover of a Smiths song, and I'm really excited about playing that one live. But until I've scored the strings, we have to do this one, so you get Taylor tonight. If you know it, join in. This is Shake It Off.
Well, that's what people say. I go on too many days, but I can make a mistake. Well, that's what people say. So I keep cruising, won't stop, can't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play and the hunter's gonna hate. Baby, I just wanna shake it up. Heartbreaker's gonna break, all the fake is gonna fade. Baby, I just wanna shake it up. I'm lying on my feet, I never miss a beat. That's what they don't see. Dancing on my own, making moves up as I go. That's what they don't know. But I keep moving, can't stop, won't stop losing. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play, and the haters gonna hate. Baby, I just wanna shake it up. Heartbreak is gonna break. All the fake is gonna fade. Baby, I just wanna shake it up. 'Cause the player's gonna play and the haters gonna hate. Baby, I just wanna shake it up. Heartbreak is gonna break and the fake is gonna fade. Baby, I just wanna shake it up.
Thank you very much, Bird. I really appreciate it. Thank you.